Keeping it real, it's not unachievable. First, become a red teamer is absolutely achievable. You don't want anything I've said to discourage you. The goal of this video is to give you a realistic roadmap, not to tell you it's impossible. Plenty of people make this transition successfully. I did, many of my colleagues did, you can too. Pace yourself. The key is pacing yourself. Don't rush the foundation building phase. Don't skip steps. Each stage of your development is valuable and necessary. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't skip the foundation just because you're excited to see the walls go up. The foundation is what makes everything else possible. The journey is valuable. Here is something that might sound counterintuitive. The journey to becoming a red teamer is actually more valuable than the destination. All those years of pen testing, all those different environments you'll test, all those vulnerabilities you'll find, all those reports you'll write, that is building you into a well-rounded security professional. By the time you transition into red teaming, you'll have a wealth of experience that makes you effective at that role. You'll understand not just the technical how, but the business why. Stay curious and keep learning. The security field moves fast. New vulnerabilities, new tools, new techniques, new defenses. It's constant evolution. Whether you're in year 1 of your journey or year 10, keep learning. Stay curious. Try new things. Break things in authorized environments. Read write-ups. Watch talks. Engage with the community. If red teaming is your goal, go for it. Just approach it strategically. Number 1, build your technical foundation. Number 2, get real pen testing experience. Number 3, develop your methodology and soft skills. Number 4, seek out opportunities to shadow red teamers. And number 5, when you're ready, make the transition. If you want to know more about offensive security and red teaming specifically, then watch this video next. Drop a comment below if you have a question. I read all of them and try to respond when I can. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.